Guys, so let's first start with the chicken curry. Oh my god, the aroma. Oh my god. Oh god. My husband's work is starting now. Hi guys, hi, hello, good morning. And I hope everyone had a very pleasant Easter celebration. Yesterday we were invited to my sister-in-law's place. They have a huge garden and we had very wonderful brunch. They're so cute. It smells so good.
Mit dem niedrigen Tempo. Also ich habe halt hinten einen Schaden, aber das Auto fährt halt noch, aber ich muss es auch.
And today we have two friends, actually a couple, coming over to our place for dinner. So I decided to make two dishes. One is just normal chicken dish, my own recipe that my husband really likes. The second one is I'm going to do Naga style pork. Guys, today I'm going to include a little bit of Naga. Okay, so today I'm going to make chutney with soya bean. We call it as akuni, and I hope that they will like it or they will not. I don't know. So guys, if they agree, maybe I will ask for the reaction. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Okay, this is my husband.
Hello, open them. I'm having breakfast and my wife already said everything. I had so many plans, but then she already explained what is happening now, so...
You can also say, baby, maybe yours is better.
Hello, Opanden! Good morning, everyone! I hope you had a fantastic Easter Sunday. Today is Monday. Easter Monday is also a national holiday. That's why I'm super relaxed, having coffee and breakfast late, although it is already like almost 10 a.m. No? So no work for today. Only good vibes. Okay. For that special occasion, my wife is gonna prepare some tasty original Naga dishes. Hopefully she gets some positive reaction. I'm not exactly doubtful, but some things might be a little bit special, so let's see if they really like everything or not.
Are you excited?
Yes, of course, I'm always excited.
We're just having our breakfast. My husband is just having oats with milk. And here, there are 2 eggs for both of us, some dry fruits. I'm having very simple toast bread, blueberry, some roasted nuts, and avocado. Okay guys, let's have breakfast and I will start cooking. Yay! Okay guys, so let's first start with the chicken curry. So for the chicken curry, first I've roasted this cashew nuts. I don't know, I think it's about 300 grams or so. So first of all, before we start our cooking, let me tell you guys that usually I don't measure any of my ingredients. I will just mention roundabout. Okay, 2 medium-sized onions and 2 dried chilies. They're not very hot like the Naga chili. This tomato sauce, which I bought from Italy, 230 grams. Little bit of meat masala and a little bit of garam masala. And also a little bit of turmeric. This is a turmeric powder. I just transferred it here. We will use olive oil for cooking the chicken. These 3 masalas you will find it in any Indian stores, and some of the Asian stores also carry them as well. So guys, this is the chicken. So this chicken, it's about 1 kg, and I took only the breast part and I sliced it into small pieces. I've marinated this for about 10 hours, and for the marination I used 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of oil, 5 shredded cloves of garlic, and salt. That's it. And that's it. This is all that we need now for cooking the chicken. We need to grind this cashew nut, guys. So let's get started. I'm cooking in medium temperature. If you are using induction, I'm using the level 7. And guys, since we're using olive oil, we don't have to wait until the oil is too hot, right? I will wait for 1 minute until it's hot. So guys, here I have some aromatic stuffs. First of all, when the oil is hot, I will put this cumin seed. Next, I have 4 cloves and 4 cardamom. And lastly, I have this cinnamon stick. So this will be for the aroma. And of course, I've chopped the onions and the 2 chilies. The oil is now hot, so we will put this inside. We stir it a little bit. Cumin seed should become brown, guys, not black. Then you can put everything at once, all the aromatic things that we have prepared. The point is not to let it burn, guys. After that, we will put the chili. Lastly, I will put the onions. So this is what is going to give flavor to the chicken. I will stir it and leave it for about 2 minutes. If you're using gas stove, then use it in a medium flame. I'm using induction, so my temperature level is set at 7. Guys, so now it's about 2 minutes now. The aroma, oh my god. We'll add the masalas here. This is the turmeric powder. That's around about 1 teaspoonful. Then we have this garam masala. This is half teaspoon. Then I'm putting this meat masala, again half teaspoon. Then we will stir it. We will leave this for about 1 minute. You should not let it get burned, but look how crispy the onions are looking now. It's the time to put in the chicken. To put the chicken pieces by pieces and not dump the whole chicken at once. Oh, then stir it. Oh wow, smells so good, guys. Okay guys, after you stir it very thoroughly, very nicely, so that the chickens are covered in the ingredients, leave it like this without covering the lid for about 1 minute. Guys, now it's already been 1 minute, so we will stir it again. We will now close the lid and keep it for 5 minutes, guys, without putting water. So it's been already 5 minutes. Let's check our chicken. Oh my god, the aroma is so good. Now we will put this tomato sauce. So guys, let's cook this for another 10 minutes. Look, look, look. Looks yummy already and smells so good. We will now put hot water. I just boiled the water, like 2 cups of water. Okay, now let's cook it again for 10 minutes. Our chicken has been cooking now for altogether 25 minutes. Now add the grinded cashew at the end here. Of course, the most important thing, guys, we need salt. This is how our chicken would look like at the end, guys. Guys, so once the cashew and the salt are inside, we will let it cook for 10 minutes, but at a low temperature. So now I will reduce the heat from 7 to 4 and let it cook for 10 minutes, and then we're done with the chicken. This is chicken with cashew nut. Okay guys, so my work here is done. Cooking is done, table is done, and my husband's work is starting now. Yeah. Yeah, hairs, no?
No, not only hairs. I think somebody spilled some coffee or something.
Coffee? There?
Marks, yes. There.
Yeah, but that was not me. Oh no, my monstera is about to die or what? Some of the leaves.
Here, look, they're like big.
Okay. Yeah. So that is our training station. This is my husband. Hey. Ah. Oh wow, baby, can you look up there? Look up. Ah, this angle is so good. I'm capturing you in between 2 monsteras.
Okay, I can also see things from here.
This is us. So basically, of course, our house is not super dirty, but we wanted to just clean up a little bit. My husband is saying it's important to invite. The advantages of inviting people over is that you get motivated to clean. So yeah, oh, he did a good job. He arranged everything as well. Nice. So yeah, we are now waiting for our friends. Let's see how it goes. Think I will have a coffee at the carrot cake that your sister gave me.
Yes.
And then I will rest for an hour before they arrive. What is this?
Onion.
Onion. Okay, guys, see you later. So, guys, there are like fat parts as well. I think you guys will like this chicken, but yeah. And then, oh, chutney! I want you guys to try the chutney, and
Yes.
I want to
We
take
try
your
the
feedback.
chutney.